I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring safety. Park, engine running or ignition on, and check the 4V plus battery. Once done, look at the SOS button LED and the fuse for the telematics unit. A blown fuse is a common cause. Next, plug in an OBD2 or BMW tool and read fault codes from the telematics/TCU and body modules. Make sure to note codes and timestamps so you can track whether the error is persistent versus intermittent. This directs the next repair steps. Once you have codes, begin hands-on work. Remove trim to access the telematics/TCU and carefully reseat its connectors. Corrosion or bent pins often cause failures. Then perform a software reset or registration using iDrive connectivity settings or your diagnostic tool. Clear codes and immediately rescan to see if they return. While the unit is out, use a multimeter to check antenna continuity and that the SIM/module receives proper power. If antenna or power is faulty, replace that component before testing the service again. To finish, verify the repair by initiating an SOS call from the parked car and watch for a successful connection and clear status on iDrive. If errors persist after resets and hardware checks, plan to replace the TCU or SOS module or request an official software flash. These fixes address corrupted firmware and registration faults. One key troubleshooting tip: if the new module still fails, inspect the vehicle CAN bus and subscriptions/telemetry account status. No registration or blocked SIM can mimic hardware failure and needs to be resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.